people, right now we did the University of Benin, and if you look behind me, we will see members of NASU and SSANU. Right now, they protest against the 30 billion naira Arrears stroke salary payment on top the arrangement where they get with federal government back in 2012.
The government where we get now, they know they obey agreements. All of us go sit down, we will say, okay, this year you go pay this year you go come make the university a better place. This year, schools go open, make our children go school. But the things we go make them go enjoy school where they won't go, they don't want to put them for ground. And we they tell them, fund university, bring money, fund university. This one where we did so. Now because of some matter where all of us don't sit down for October last year. Now we sit down, they agree, then sign. Then they owe us end allowance since 2012. We say okay, they say maybe we calculate. We say okay, we know we just give, if we not fit pay all loan they owe us 30 billion. Go be part payment. First pay that one. Then say okay, then sign paper. Now we still there today. Then say they increase minimum wage so that we will feed the feed. We will feed the take our children school fees, pay their school fees. Then pay, before they come pay, it don't go into arrears. By the time they start to pay, okay, pay us the arrears where they on top. Then say then go pay, then sign paper. Up till today, we never see the money. The agreement we signed 2009. We say for the agreement, they say every 4 years will they renegotiate. Since that 2009, they never renegotiate them. That's a part of or not the thing where it make us come out say, for 3 days will they protest like this. After the 3 days protest, our national body for Abuja go come tell us the next thing we want to do. Because the weapons we get to take fight government, now part of them be this so. And we want to make everybody know, say, not be say we don't want to make school work. Our own be say, create the enabling environment for everybody to thrive. The place where they send their children go for abroad, it not be like this. Those places is good, then they take them their matter serious. That's why that place good. Make them do them like that for all the universities. Make them call the visitation panel, make them come look all the universities, make them see with their eyes how the decadence, what we both they call decadence, the way the thing don't scatter, everything don't spoil. The teaching, the lecture rooms, the space not there. Children, now COVID we did so, that's why you see everybody wear mask. Are they prepared for it? They say to make them open school. May our children come, go hostel, go see how they want to lie down. How many people they room. So these are some of the things. When we they fight, not be say, na money matter. Not be money matter. You get basic things where they're supposed to do. Now it make us come out.
In our advice, we want to give federal government because you don't think when we did this matter. October last year, actually, they signed that paper. Say, we go back to work after 14 days warning strike when we go. Muna no worry, Muna go back to work. We go attend to all in our demand. Only for us to say at the end of the day, we not even hear from them again. Then they talk about our minimum wage. Arrears, when you run into our 9 months arrears before they come pay. They say before December ending, we'll see until do Christmas. As we speak, we not even hear any news, whether it was. In fact, they ask every university to prepare, make them send and come. Our own school here do our own, we send and move. But federal government, they renege, they don't want to do what they promise to do. So now I make federal government, our national body of the two unions, SSANU and NASU, say, okay, all branch chairmen, mobilize your member now. Just show to the world, say, this government, they're not ready to listen to the wahala when the ordinary man, when they work for university, they face. But this kind of money, for them, when they National Assembly, not reach for them to put for back pocket, say, waka. Small money, when go, even, how much be junior staff or senior staff? 30,000, how much is that? How much I want to translate to in a month? But they don't want to do one, just because of sheer wickedness. So na so we see am. So we no get any other thing to do than make we tell the world say if dem still fit help us talk to them, make dem give the people their money. Then like the position wey dem dey take from us too, lecturer go dey carry position of not teaching. That one dey among the issue, and you don't actually talk on most of the issues. So na so e reach.
The next step now go take if federal government.
The next step, that one our leaders, our principal for up there will tell us, because after this one now, I think by Friday or thereabout, they will call press conference for Abuja, and we go listen to them. Then after that, they will see issue paper to us as the issue. So, see how na wan do am, see the way we will go now. So na so it be. We not fit talk here how we wan work out.
My people, we don hear from NASU and SSANU, and they don tell us say make we beg federal government to remember the Arrears arrangement wey they get back in 2012. Make una sabi say my name na Innocent Eikweme from TMC TV, Benin.